Hello all you furry friends out there, how are you guys doing? Today we're going to be reacting to one of my very old Hiccup meme videos to the new Hiccup meme video that I did a few days ago. Let's go and do this. And if I don't know, let's just go and do this. And of course it starts off with a butt. Seriously. I wasn't watching the video back then, it just came up out of nowhere. Here's a mess. Yes, it's all the same characters if you're wondering. Of course, on this video I did the sliding frames. I mean, who wouldn't back then? Anyway, guys, I'll be right back with a new video. Hey guys, I'm back. Here's a new video, but the eyes are different, of course. Anyway, let's go. The music's not even that loud on this one, but that's fine. It's a freaking mess. This one I didn't even do the sliding frames. I did it the way everyone was supposed to do it. Because I decided, and that was enough with the sliding frames since I wasn't really doing animation. This one I didn't miss any spots, and I made sure of it this time. It has all the same characters to it. The background's different though. Yay. The only reason why he's wearing a tie and a suit is because actually Rick is a scientist. None of you have noticed this. He is a scientist. And there's gonna be a little episode coming up about him and Wolfy and everyone else, actually. And it's gonna be epic, hopefully, if I can get it all done in the summer. But yeah, guys, if you guys make sure to comment down below saying which one is your favorite one. Obviously the new one probably, but please comment down below, like this video, and I'll see you furries later. Bye.